Got me a rainbow. Look like two rainbows coming up now. Like 6 o'clock in the morning here. Look like one of the end of the rainbows right there on that train. It goes all the way over here to the other end. Other end's probably in Flagstaff. Sun shining, a little sprinkling going on. It's kind of chilly out here too. Sure make it cooler anyway. A double rainbow goes all the way. Other one showing up. Gotta go get out in the sun. That would make it get warm a little bit. Yesterday was kind of weird. It didn't get hot. Got real windy. I was able to get some stuff done. But anyway, I just do a little clip. I'm getting wet out here. Let me zoom in here that way. And don't that look like it's coming out of that train? Got a train rainbow over there.